Ladies and gentlemen, very welcome to a brand new video. I thought I'd start off in the most Swedish of all places, IKEA. So, roll the intro and let's go. So, ladies and gentlemen, so very welcome for tuning in to a brand new video of mine. Reason for making this video is because I got a comment on my initial impressions video of my Ruroc helmet, and it was a fair comment. So the reason for making this video is because I missed to include a segment in my initial impressions video of the Ruroc helmet Atlas 3.0. Highway riding. How much wind, or how does a helmet sound like while riding highway speeds? So I'm pretty curious myself, so that's why I'm making the video. So I'm gonna get on the highway here for a little bit. I'm just wearing a t-shirt today, so we'll see how long I will be on the highway, because we all know it's not the most secure thing to ride in a t-shirt, but yeah. Plus it hurts when you get bugs and shit on it. On you, not on it, on you. I mean, just by riding like this, I have music on. In my previous helmet, if I was going above, I don't know, 65, 70 kilometers an hour, it was pretty hard for me to hear the music. Now I'm going 90 and I have no issues hearing the music. Plus, I don't think that my voice is any louder than regularly. I mean, you're still on a motorcycle, so you will, I mean, you are getting wind, and I don't have a windshield on, so of course all the wind is hitting me. So I would say it's pretty natural to get some wind, of course, but the question is, how much does the helmet let in? And also, given my previous helmet, I couldn't talk like in a normal voice and still be able to hear what I was saying, and here I have no issues with that. So yeah, I'm just cruising down highway speeds. I'm doing 110 kilometers an hour. What is that? I'll put the miles per hour here. It's like 65 or something. I do feel a little bit of wind in my face, but nothing too bad. And I don't have a windshield, and the helmet should let some wind through, otherwise it will be like a sauna helmet. I do think, however, that the Ruroc helmets are letting some more wind in than other brands, I think, because there's no way to open and close the vents, unless the one that you have in the very front, you can open and close that. But other than that, there's just no way. So whatever wind is hitting you, you will feel. And And I heard a guy say that he was on a group ride the other day, and it was a fairly warm day. I actually didn't have my visor open a bit, I felt now. So it was a fairly warm day, and when they came to the stop, everybody took off their helmets, and everybody was like, looked like they'd be running a marathon, because everybody was sweaty and their helmets were all wet. And he was wearing a Ruroc helmet, and basically didn't feel a thing. He was dry as, you know, when he put it on. So yeah, the airflow is very good in these helmets. Oh, yeah. I wanna pass this truck. I wanna pass this truck. I wanna pass this truck. So, I mean, you'll be the judge of how much it sounds. For me, riding at least, it's no big deal whatsoever. I feel it, but I think that's part of the motorcycle riding experience as well. So I'm not bothered by it at all. And given that I do live in a very windy part of the country, so it's always windy down here, more or less. Today is actually a bit less, but I'm still doing about 120 kilometers. Oh, damn that! 120 kilometers per hour, and I'm fine. I'm totally fine. So yeah, I guess you will be the judge on how it sounds. I can just give you my experience. I can't give you yours. And as I said in that video as well, you should always get a helmet that fits you, fits your head, fits your needs, maybe your style. This helmet does look a bit special, I agree, but I'm a special kind of guy, so it kind of fits me. Anyway guys, I think this concludes or wraps it up the video. I'm gonna turn off the highway here for a bit, because I just got a bug hit my arm and it hurt like hell. So yeah, I don't want to do that anymore. No, screw it, I'm not going here. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you gave you some insights. But until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and take care of yourselves. Bye.